Good morning to everyone. I am Gautam from Department of Computer Science Engineering in Shriram Engineering College. Today we are going to hear about the two languages, Swift and Objective-C. In Android app development, for using for Apple iStore means for the Apple iStores are developed by using the two languages. The first one is Swift and Objective-C. First of all, now going to set the Swift versus Objective. Why Swift is better than Objective-C? Because Swift is newer one compared to Objective-C. The Swift has many features compared to Objective-C. The Objective-C supports only few features. In Swift contains the type interface, polymorphism, type safety, and dynamically typed. So the Swift is better than compared to Objective-C for iOS app development. Which to use? The Swift is many reasons to use Swift because the Swift is easier to read and write. It has it has also worked the more syntax and make it easy to understand the code developers for iOS. Swift is more safe than compared to Objective-C. It also less likely to produce the unaccepted results for mismatchings. In Swift can make code more reliable and easy to debugging. For developers, easy to debug in Swift. It also the better memory management features than compared to Objective-C. The Swift also helps to improve the iOS app performance. The Swift overall. The Swift was introduced in 2014, and the public people also used to develop user in 2015. The Swift is also already we are seeing that the Swift is for her read and write and easy to find the errors in Swift. It is an open source language. It compatible with the Objective-C and can also be developed for the software like iOS, Mac OS, tvOS, and watchOS and Linux. The Swift features. The first one is automatic memory management system, and then Swift is easy to learn and easy to debug. It backward compatibility uses interoperability with third-party tools and IDEs. And then second one is second language is Objective-C. The Objective-C is also used for to develop the software in iOS. In the Objective-C contains the minimum features. It is also supported for the object-oriented programming language. The main benefit of Objective-C is the ability to dynamically load code. It means that create small, lightweight programs to large or complex programs. The features of Objective-C. First one is data hiding. Data hiding means the process is invisible. Then second one is encapsulation. It combined data. Inheritance. Inheritance means that it's like the parent and child classes. And the main feature is it runs in a fast program. The next one is polymorphism. Polymorphism means the many forms. It supports the many forms. It is this the features are the object-oriented programming language. The advantage of Objective-C, it's simple and efficient. It support for many tools. It compatible with the virtual and for virtual versions of iOS. It ability to extend and it has a rich libraries. The disadvantage of Objective-C, syntax is complicated and it's complicated for finding the debuggings and the time consuming is very large in Objective-C.